video unboxing for the Gigabit PoE Injector. Done for the visually impaired. Descriptions are narrated. Opening the box, flips back 3 sides, 2 to the left, or 1 to the left, 1 to the right, and the top, which folds out from the box. In the box here we have one manual wrapped around the PoE Injector. We have the PoE Injector in a bag, and under another piece of cardboard we have the power cord right here. So basically there is, as many may already know, line in and line out for the power over Ethernet adapter. Please consult the manual for further instructions. There's the in and out ports, and then here we have the power line connector, which goes into the backside of the PoE Injector. Compact and lightweight, it should be easy to fit into any crevice, small space, in order to extend the range of any power over Ethernet compatible devices. So here we go. That's together. We'll put all this stuff back over here and in the box. The manual, we'll take a quick look at that here, and there are a set of instructions. Unfortunately for myself, the print is too small. There are several pages. What I can do is magnify or get the instructions enlarged. Having a QR code actually is something I recommend for many manufacturers, as it makes the material available online for those of us with print and reading difficulties. So standard instructions, they're all in, they have a number of languages: French, English, and Spanish. They describe the operating instructions. So that is the unboxing for the Gigabit PoE Injector. Meant to extend the range or improve upon devices that can send and receive data along the Ethernet lines. Mainly meant for security cameras and positioning them in and around the home.
Stop recording video.
All right, so we're taking a look at this. I think it's a MokerLink PoE Injector. So PoE, power over Ethernet. And this one is compatible with the wireless outdoor router that I got. This guy right here, Deco Outdoor, which is going to expand my mesh network system. So we'll get this open and connect it and make sure everything's fine. So basically, you notice here's it's where the power over Ethernet comes out, and this is where your LAN goes in. So we've got your power cable right there. So pretty simple devices where it basically just splits off your network, adding power into the system and powering devices like, again, this router that I have. All right, so we've got this connected to power, and we'll take our LAN side here and pop that in, and take another cable here. And connect this to the other side here. And as soon as I plug this in here, we should see this start to power on. And so there we go. One thing to keep in mind is that there are lots of different types of power over Ethernet, and it'll tell you basically the output power on the back of what they have. So this one, according to all of the information, is compatible with this device. So you always want to make sure that it has the proper power output, because too little or too much, either it's not going to work or it could potentially damage things. But real simple instructions included, and everything seems to be really just on one page. I mean, they are really that simple. A little bit of a description on the back here, but that's really about it. So I'll configure this, try it out, and if there are any issues, I'll be sure to include that in my full review. Just a quick update that this is powering everything fine. This unit is all powered up and connected, and the PoE injector doing its job, delivering the power that's required by this device.